All right, so now I'm going to look for a specific magazine, and I want to find the most recent National Geographic magazine. All right, so you scroll down, and there it is, the National Geographic magazine. And I want to know where it is, because I'm going to put it on a very specific hold. And I'm going to go to my home library. Everything is alphabetical. Scrolling. Okay, so now I want to find the October 2019. It's currently out, but I'm going to place a hold on it, and this little symbol right here will allow me to do that. My pickup library will be Northern Lights, and submit request. And that is how you make a specific request for magazines.